Imagine having a robot that can keep an eye on your home. Meet Astro. This little technological marvel has the ability to meander around your house like a curious pet, keeping tabs on everything that's happening. Its advanced facial recognition feature helps it distinguish between family members, guests, and those pesky bad guys who weren't invited. And if Astro spots something fishy, it alerts homeowners faster than you can say, "unwanted intruder." Now, for those of us who've always found security checks a chore, Astro is like that diligent friend who does all the work while we kick back and relax. It's the perfect blend of convenience and vigilance. Astro, giving new meaning to watchdog. Ever wish you could be at two places at once? Ring always home. Cam can do just that. This clever little device allows you to keep an eye on your home from anywhere in the world. No, it's not a magic crystal ball, but it's pretty close. The Ring Always Home. Cam offers live view capabilities, meaning you can see what's happening in your home in real time. It's like having your very own personal security guard who never takes a coffee break. And the best part? It's motion activated. So if the thugs decide to pay a visit, this agile device will spring into action faster than you can say "not today, villain." Now that's what we call giving crime the bird. Ring Always Home Cam, because you can't clone yourself. Yet. Who's at the door? Let's not guess anymore, thanks to Phillips Video Door Lock. This nifty gadget doesn't just lock your doors. Oh no, it takes security to a new level by letting you see who's at your doorstep before you even consider opening it. Imagine the convenience of screening out those pesky door-to-door salespeople without even leaving your couch. Now that's what I call a real-life ignore button. But it's not all fun and games. The Phillips Video Door Lock also plays a crucial role in enhancing your home security. It's like having a digital doorman who never sleeps, tirelessly keeping an eye out for the bad guys. Man's best friend just got a tech upgrade. Meet Drone Dog. This isn't your average pet, folks. No need for walkies or picking up after this one. Drone Dog is an innovative home security gadget with the capability to patrol your house autonomously. It's got the smarts too. Its advanced detection system can differentiate between a burglar and, say, your neighbor's cat that always seems to find its way into your garden. Plus, it's got the stamina of a marathon runner, tirelessly keeping an eye out for any criminals lurking in the shadows. And the best part? It won't chew your favorite shoes. Drone Dog. Because who needs a guard dog when you have a guard drone? Let's turn the spotlight on the MICIP Fusion 9000i. This little powerhouse is a game changer in home security. With its superior infrared capabilities, it can see through the darkest nights like a hawk on a moonlit hunt. The Fusion 9000i doesn't just see, it detects. Its powerful detection system can sense even the most subtle movements, making sure that no sneaky trespassers can slip past its watchful gaze. Remember those night vision goggles you thought were cool? Well, the Fusion 9000i makes them look like a toy from a cereal box. So if you're looking to give the thugs a run for their money, this is your gadget. MICIP Fusion 9000i, because I see you, takes on a whole new meaning. Home security doesn't have to be complicated, and Simplisafe proves it. Now this isn't just a fancy name, folks. Simplisafe really does simplify your home security. Picture this, a system so easy to install, it's like setting up a toaster. You plug it in and boom, you're good to go. You know, I once knew a guy who couldn't even set a digital clock. But even he could set up Simplisafe. It's that user-friendly. And don't let its simplicity fool you, this little device is a powerhouse when it comes to keeping the home invaders at bay. So if you're all thumbs when it comes to tech, don't sweat it. Simplisafe, because simple is always better. Windows are the eyes to the home, and 3M Safety Window Film is the perfect pair of sunglasses. This ingenious product is designed to prevent break-ins, reinforcing your windows against any unwelcome guests. It's like giving your windows a superhero cape, turning them from plain glass into impregnable barriers. And for those of us with particularly nosy neighbors, it provides a much-needed layer of privacy. Imagine their faces peeking over their fences only to be met with their own reflections. Now that's what I call a plot twist. So if you're looking to boost your home security or just hide from the neighborhood gossip, 3M Safety Window Film has got you covered. Because your windows deserve some armor too. Why plant sunflowers when you can have a sunflower bee drone? Imagine a world where your yard is constantly patrolled by a friendly buzzing bee. But this isn't just any bee. This is the Sunflower Bee Drone, a state-of-the-art security device designed to keep an eye on every inch of your property. With advanced detection capabilities, this drone can identify and alert you to any unexpected movement or guests. Now, you might be thinking, I don't want a bee buzzing around my home, but this is no ordinary bee. It's a silent, vigilant guardian that keeps the bad guys at bay, making it the best kind of bee to have buzzing around your home. So why settle for a regular security system when you can have your very own Sunflower Bee Drone? It's not only efficient and effective, but also adds a touch of cool to your home security. Sunflower Bee Drone, because security never looked so cool. 2 is always better than 1, and Lindo Dual Camera Video proves it. This savvy gadget boasts a dual camera setup, giving you double the protection and peace of mind. It's like having an extra pair of eyes, but these ones don't blink, ensuring you never miss a thing. Now, imagine trying to keep an eye on a pair of mischievous tweens. Tough, right? But with Lindo, it's a walk in the park. This device is your ultimate seed kick, always on the lookout, ready to catch those thugs in the act. Its superior recording capabilities ensure high-quality footage, making it easier to identify any uninvited guests. With Lindo, you get to be the director of your own safety. And guess what? There's no room for retakes for the intruders. So if you're in the market for a security camera, why settle for 1 when you can have 2? Lindo Dual Camera Video, because 2 cameras are better than 1. Who said home security couldn't pack a punch? Meet the Sublethal Remote Gun. This is not your regular security device, it's a statement. A statement that says, "Not today, assholes!" It's armed with non-lethal defense capabilities, ensuring that any intruders will think twice before messing with your home. The best part? You control it remotely. That's right, you can be sipping a piña colada in Hawaii and still protect your house back in New York. Talk about being in 2 places at once. It's like having your own personal RoboCop minus the existential crisis. The Sublethal Remote Gun, because home security just got serious. Locks are the first line of defense, and Avantis high security FMT window lock is the ultimate guard. Now, when it comes to securing your home, this isn't just a lock, it's a fortress for your windows. With superior strength and an unyielding resistance to break-ins, this lock doesn't mess around. Imagine this. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your windows. And let me tell you, this bodyguard doesn't take coffee breaks. It's always on duty, ensuring the bad guys think twice before trying to get in. A little tip from me to you. If you want to keep your windows safe, go with Avantis. It's the kind of security that makes you sleep like a baby at night. Avantis high security FMT window lock, because your windows deserve the best. Who needs a smoke screen when you have the Foggyou Fog Cannon? This nifty device takes home security to a whole new level. Imagine, an intruder gets into your house, and in a split second, the place is filled with a thick fog, disorienting the intruder. It's like having a personal ninja for home defense. Except it's a fog machine, and it doesn't throw shurikens. But what it lacks in cool ninja weapons, it makes up for ineffectiveness. The Foggyou Fog Cannon activates in no time, making sure the bad guys are left fumbling in the fog. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure your home is safe from unwelcome guests. Foggyou Fog Cannon, because home security just got foggy.